Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the watch and initiating the update. Make sure the battery is 50% or higher, or keep the charger attached to avoid interruptions. Once done, confirm your watch is on a stable Wi-Fi or connected to the paired phone with good signal, because downloads fail on flaky networks. Then open Settings, go to System, tap About, and choose System Updates to start checking. You're now ready to download the available update and watch the progress indicator. You'll now handle the download and installation. When the update appears, tap Download and let the watch fetch files. This can take several minutes depending on size and Wi-Fi speed. While downloading and installing, keep the watch on its charger or maintain at least 30% battery to prevent forced stops. Allow any prompts for permissions or reboots, and make sure the paired phone isn't restarted mid-process, because interruptions can corrupt the update. After installation begins, watch will reboot automatically to apply change. Finish the process by letting the watch reboot and apply the update. Once it restarts, check Settings System about to confirm the new build number. If something goes wrong, reboot both the watch and the paired phone, then retry the update. Many transient errors resolve that way. If the update still fails repeatedly, back up necessary data and consider a factory reset as a last resort, because resets remove app data but often fix stranded update states. Contact support if hardware issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.